The KitchenAid semi-automatic espresso machine with burr grinder is a game-changer for coffee enthusiasts. With its sleek juniper finish and a generous 2.5-liter capacity, this machine is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional. One of the standout features is the built-in burr grinder, which ensures a consistent and precise grind for the perfect espresso. The machine's semi-automatic nature allows for a personalized experience, giving you control over the extraction process and the ability to create your ideal cup of coffee. The 2.5-liter water reservoir is a significant upgrade, providing enough capacity for multiple cups without frequent refills. The machine's performance is impressive, delivering a rich and creamy espresso with a thick crema layer. The temperature control is precise, ensuring your coffee is always at the perfect temperature. The included accessories are a nice touch, with a tamper, milk frother, and a range of filters to accommodate different coffee preferences. The machine is easy to clean and maintain, with a removable drip tray and a descaling indicator to ensure optimal performance. Overall, this KitchenAid espresso machine is a fantastic choice for those seeking a high-quality, feature-rich espresso experience. It offers a perfect blend of style, functionality, and performance, making it a worthy investment for any coffee lover. With its ability to deliver a consistent and delicious espresso, it's a machine that will become the heart of your coffee routine.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.